Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing on your phone. So first, let's head on to our Instagram app. So the Notes feature can be found on your direct messages. So just click the messenger-like icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then, as you can see, there is your big profile picture and a plus sign above. When you click that plus sign, you can add any note you like. You can just say what's on your mind. It's like a post on Facebook, but this note can only be seen by your Instagram friends for 24 hours. So if this feature is not showing, let's try this method. First, you need to turn on your activity status. So go to the hamburger button at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, and look for messages and story replies. Click it and click show activity status. So if it's turned off, turn it on so that Instagram Notes feature can be seen. So if this method did not help you, try this another one. Go to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. And if there is an update for the app, just click update because most likely Instagram Notes feature is for the updated Instagram apps. Once updated, click open and go back to your direct messages and see if the Instagram Notes feature is now available. If it still didn't work, another method is to report the problem to Instagram Help Center. So let's go back to our hamburger button, click settings and privacy, and then look for help. Click help, click report the problem, and then state your problem, and you can also add your screenshots. And then once done, just click send and wait for Instagram to reply to your queries. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.